abo Abasireti Obogima Bwabo engakiyo korobekana kwa basaye bekegorigia Gen Z omwaka bw'echilifu 2024 nigesabari entangani ya chaka gekoragwa n'abarayi benseme kwamerera serikali richiamate chiabaria Abasireti abanchwa babo nigo BABEKA AMAUA ISIKO ya bunge abwase nkwane y'abarayi abagikeire serikali ekoragwa na Daktari William Samuel Ruto asogotumya abasari erikoreta chiburaburu gosarie nibo y'abantu nabo igo kwirira abakenya gosiria obogima bwabo buneko bwatya.
Excellency.
Everybody needs to know those malicious people who may have arranged for goons to be in the CBD. We are not in the CBD. Any goon in the CBD belongs to the authorities, not to us. As I came from home, they've barricaded everywhere. I had to open my window at the Aga Khan to tell the police I need them to remove the stones for me to pass. I'm coming to Serena. I was not hiding. Again, they removed the stones at another barrier near the museum. And I told them we are peaceful. I'm coming to Serena. So there are such barriers. There is so much police presence. It is inconceivable that there can be any looting or any damage to property, yes, or any attack when there is so much police presence. So we are telling you, IG and your entire police force, we expect total cover and security as we go to lay the wreaths. We are Kenyans, we are taxpayers. We are not doing anything wrong. We expect this to be peaceful. And we assert our right to do those things because it's written in the Constitution. May I thank police for making the day so successful. When you barricade roads, you are enforcing the public holiday. So heko kwenu, lakini pia mweke usalama.
Yes. Yeah. This is a day when we come out to remember the lives of the young people who were taken. Ask yourselves what crime those young people committed. Just to say that life had become impossible for Kenyans, and because they talked with the government refused to listen, and instead of listening, they tear-gassed, they killed, and they maimed. If we were to stay behind and leave the victims to also stay in their homes, it would be a betrayal of the spirit of the young people. We are just coming out in solidarity. We are peaceful. We are not armed. Anybody with arms are not us or the families who are coming. Anybody armed, let the nation know and the whole world know. If there are any armed groups, those are not the victims' people. Those are not the leaders' people. Those are the agencies, the government agencies. The government has been talking about knowing of goons being mobilized. I suppose that they know if that was true, they should have taken action to make sure that those goons don't gain access even to the CBD. So we're just coming in solidarity with the families and to tell this government that you cannot avoid accountability. All these barricades are meant to make sure that nobody comes here, nobody comes to the media, so that the government can hide behind the compensation they have given. Compensation is fine, but no money can buy any life. We must press for justice for those who were killed. The police officers and anybody who was involved must be taken and prosecuted.